Hi, I'm Dave from Synergy Products, and today we're just going to show you how to make quick adjustments once you find you've been working on the machine for a few months to keep certain chains and drives correct. Lift the top cover off like that and the side cover. In two areas you've exposed the main drive chain and the secondary drive chain from the crank. This main drive chain must always be at about 10 mil flex. To adjust it, you simply loosen off the 4 vertical bolts and use the adjuster. This will allow this chain to come back and retension. Exactly the same on the belt. The engine has 4 vertical bolts and the tensioner is a hair, so you can move the engine forward. Those must remain under those correct tensions, otherwise you'll lose drive. On the front side, you have a grease nipple here. Just take your 19 mil spanner, slacken that off, and how you tension it is by putting 2 levers either side of this one here, which allows it to tension upwards, and then you redo this nut back up. All straightforward and simple, but essential for good maintenance of a machine. Thank you.